Hi guys, hope all well. Everyone must be wondering today that what wrong have they done that they are suffering because of this virus. Everyone has this question in their mind. The answer for this question lies only in one word called karma.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
Karma is a word that is thrown around a lot. It means whatever you do will come back to you at some point. Karma comes after everyone eventually. It is called a societal police. The law is simple. Every experience is repeated or suffered till you experience it properly. A simple analogy to understand the mechanics of karma. Different seeds fructify after different time duration. Grains harvest after some months. Some fruit seeds produce fruits after years, and some seeds may even take more time than years. Every action that we do is like a seed sown. The seed will fructify and we cannot escape the result. The reactions will come but at different time durations. There is a saying in Bhagavad Gita, Gahana Karmano Gatit, which means the way the action and reaction works is very complex.
आज मैं समय नहीं हूं क्योंकि मैं तो किसी के लिए ठहरता ही नहीं, पर आज मैं किसी शिष्य की भांति हाथ जोड़े रणभूमि कुरुक्षेत्र के बीच में खड़ा हुआ नारायण की बातें सुन रहा हूं। नारायण मेरे और कुंती पुत्र अर्जुन के बीच में है। वैसे तो उनका संबोध्य कुंती पुत्र अर्जुन ही है, किंतु वास्तव में वो बात मुझसे कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं बीता हुआ कल भी हूं, आज भी हूं और आने वाला कल भी हूं। अर्जुन के प्रश्न केवल अर्जुन के नहीं थे, वो प्रश्न तो पिछले युगों के लिए भी प्रासंगिक थे, इस युग के लिए भी प्रासंगिक हैं और आने वाले युगों के लिए भी प्रासंगिक रहेंगे। जब तक मैं हूं तब तक मानव जाति को इन प्रश्नों का सामना करना पड़ता रहेगा। इसलिए कोई ये न समझे कि ये प्रश्न केवल द्रोण शिष्य अर्जुन ही कर रहा है, उसके कंठ से मैं भी बोल रहा हूं, क्योंकि हर दिन हर युग के भीतर उसका एक अपना कुरुक्षेत्र होता है और होता रहेगा। इसलिए हे मानव, यदि अपने वर्तमान और भविष्य का सामना करना है तो कुरुक्षेत्र की ओर मुंह करके खड़ा हो जा और स्वयं नारायण से अपने उन प्रश्नों के उत्तर सुन जो सदैव से तुझे परेशान करते चले आ रहे हैं।
There is a saying, the mills of God grind slow, but they grind exceedingly fine. So every single action will be accounted for. Our karma will find us among the millions of people in the planet. It can be slow, but no one can escape. Someone who has taken birth will have to die one day. Mind is a great slave, but a poor master. So you need to control your mind. We have different perspective. Positive and negative are not opposite, but two sides of the same coin. We all have freedom to choose our actions. but we can't choose the results. So we all should focus on doing right actions without worrying about the results. Life is a perception. We don't see the world as it is, but we see the world with filters. Based on outcomes, we feel happy or sad. Based on our actions and karma, we get the results. Some we may face in this life, and some we may face in the next life. Karma in the present affects one's future in the current life, as well as the nature and quality of future lives. So, what you put out will come back to you in unexpected ways. Give only what you don't mind getting back to you. Karma, which means Ma, mother, who will always be with us till our last breath. Remember the big picture.
जो कुछ है संसार में, जो कुछ है संसार, इसी कथा